Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at the Harbor Freight parking lot sale. Just a reminder, the Inside Track Club gets to go through Thursday, and then Friday through Sunday is for everyone else. So we're going to check out some of the deals going on right now, but let's dive in. To get us started, we're going to check out this Fortress pancake option here. You can see this is on sale for $1.99, a great deal. Get to save about 30 bucks on that one. Then we also see the hot dog option as well. So whichever one you might need, you can grab this one here for $1.60. Again, these are both great brands, going to do a good job for you. Then we have the Earthquake brand here, XT. Again, we've seen these on sale, but this is on sale for $1.29. Again, pretty good deal off right here, 20 bucks for that one. A couple other options right here if you need some of these compressors. We have this one here for 49 bucks, so you can get, again, either option that you are interested in, whether it's the pancake one or the hot dog shaped. But again, both great deals. McGraw, solid brand, it's going to do a good job. Here we have a little bit larger option as well, the 29-gallon for McGraw. So if you'd rather this, you can get this and still get a good deal here for $49.99, 50 bucks off of this. We have a couple Chief options. You get to see 40% off of these. So if you need any of these Chief option brands right here, pretty good percent off. This is one of the better deals for this parking lot sale. Again, is this one right here. Then we have $19.99 here for Central Machinery. You can grab one of these, pretty good deal, and then also $138. So again, another solid deal on that. Then we also see this Merlin air hose. It was on instant savings, and it's down even further to $16.99. We also have the Badlands winch here for $4.99. Again, great deal right there, 100 bucks off of that. It's a great option for you. Then we have their larger option here for $279.99. Again, another solid option in this one as well. Then we also have the 5,000 winch right here for $149 as well. Get to save 30 bucks off of this one. Then we have some pumps. You can check all of these out. 35% off of these. Again, that's a great deal, especially if you're going to need to grab some of these pumps. I've actually used this one right here. The G, I've used that at my house. It works great. I like it, and I use it all the time when I'm trying to get stuff out of my pool or just to get other things drained. It works really well. It's been a solid option for me, but you can see all the different ones here. 35% off is a great one for that. You can see everything is listed, which is super nice. Then we have a couple other options here in the Predators. See, again, 35% off. So again, more great sales on all of these. So if you need any type of pump, whatever that might be, you can come and check and see if they are in stock and available at your store. And again, just a reminder, this is currently just for Inside Track Club members, but this weekend will be for everyone. We also have some Bauer items right here, down to $89, and then also 300 bucks here on these larger options, whichever one you might need. Another shot at a different McGraw option here for $250. This is the 8-gallon option. It does have the wheels, which is a little more mobile, which is nice. And again, you still get the larger size here. And then the 21-gallon option for $250. Again, a lot of options here in these. Central Pneumatic also had theirs on sale for $9.99. This, again, is the spray gun. We see this one as well here for $8.98. We saw this as an instant savings, but it's even lower now. Have the Banks air framing nailer for 79 bucks. It's a great deal right there. Then we also have a couple other Predator options right here. Got some of these generators. I know a lot of you guys needed some of these, especially with the hurricanes going on. I wish I would have had one of these, but a bunch of great deals right here. Got this one down to $850. We also have the other ones down to $500. Have the Predator engines right here for $129. So if you need one of those, definitely grab one. Couple bottle jacks, 30-ton bottle jacks here, down to $89. Get a great deal on that one. Save you a little bit of money. Then we also have some of the Daytona ones for the 3-ton option as well. So you see this one here for $60, 25% off. And we also have the 3-ton Daytona options for $30 or 28 bucks. Again, great option for that one. Then we even have the Predator pressure washer here for $2.99, 50 bucks off of that. So that's a good option, $26.50, pre-sale on the PSI. Then we have the Portland electric pressure washer here for 67 bucks. And then we also have the engine stand for $80, so 20 bucks off of this one. Then we get into a little bit larger option here for the jack. We got 100 bucks off of this one, the Pittsburgh low profile. And then we also have a couple other jack stands right here as well, so you can check some of these out. Get to save some money, especially if you're going to be doing some work in the garage. These are great. See all the low profiles, 2-ton, 1.5 ton as well. Just see what you might need. Get in here, you can save some money. 37% off of this one, which is nice, and 25 bucks off of this other one. Getting some great deals, especially if you're going to be using these in your garage or maybe even at work as well. Then we have the Pittsburgh 1,500-pound platforms on sale, so you can grab these, save you a little bit of money. Also, the 3 1/4 ton ramp set, also from Pittsburgh. Grab one of these, 45 bucks. Maddox high performance inflator. See, these are 130 here for the inside track. We also have the air compressor. Always great to have one of these here for 55 bucks. Then the Icon master brake caliper set. Grab this right here for 150 if you're going to be working on these. Then another option here for the Pittsburgh 1.5 ton aluminum jack here for 75 bucks. The Viking air compressor and a jump starter. Always great to keep one of these in your vehicle. And I also recommend you grab some of these cables as well. Then Viking also has their battery controlled charger here and maintainer. Then even some heavy duty cables. Always great to keep some of these in your truck. So you can check some of these out here. Also another inside track club is the Jupiter Pure right here for $4.59. And then also the power inverter as well. So you can grab one of these. And the foldable shop crane for $2.19 for Pittsburgh. We also have the Hallmaster chain hoist for 50 bucks. Again, another solid deal, especially if you're on the inside track club here. Then we have a fun little item right here, a little shop stool. You can grab one of these, multiple different colors here for 70 bucks. I think it's a great addition to anyone. Save your legs and your back, be able to work in these. Then we also have a few different other options here for your shop. You can grab some of these on the wheels, and you can use these as well. See all the different prices we have right here. Pretty good for all of these options, and then even some of these lower creepers as well here. Pittsburgh brand and options here. And I know we all need some storage. You can grab some of these 5-tier shelves here for 40 bucks, or you can also grab one of these dollies here for 180. Great prices on those. Always need those type things. Again, here's another shot right here, the 5-tier option. Then we even have some more Bauer tools. If you want to grab this one here for 45 bucks, grab one of these bench grinders, and then even this other Predator option here for $4.99. Then we even have the Vulcan here for $8.99. Good price on that, especially if you're going to be doing any type of welding. Check that and see if that might be something you're interested in. And we have another option here, again in welding as well for $8.99. So again, check all these out here in the titanium brand and see if this is something that you might be interested in. I have another option in the $4.50 range. Check these and see what you might need, again, for your shop, whatever size you might need and whatever you're going to be doing. Check these out. Another option here for 90 bucks for Chicago Electric Welding, the Flux 125. Again, great price on that. Then we have a few more dollies. We have the Franklin dolly here for 55 bucks. Then we see the auger on sale here for 180. So if you need one of these, you can definitely grab one and save you a little bit of money here, whatever you're going to be doing with that. Pretty good deal on that one. Then a few other options here for some tillers on sale as well. Might be a little late, but you can always grab some of these and prep work for next year. Then we have some sprayers and a few other options as well. Then we also have a chainsaw. Always great to keep at least one of these around. A big gas option here again for the Inside Track Club for $150. And then the Bauer drops down to 65 bucks. Again, a great deal on that one. We also have the Bauer blower. This is the corded option for 60 bucks. Again, will be Inside Track Club there. And then also the cement mixer here for $329. Another good option for Inside Track. Then we have more shop tools. We have this option here for Yukon at $270. I really like this. I think this is a great one for working in the shop and getting things done. I also have some Vice options here for 45 bucks if you need any of these. Then we have a little heat gun. Always great to grab one of these because you don't use them a ton, but definitely good to have some. Another cart here. Again, this one is Inside Track Club. Have the Yukon Rugged Garage Storage. Need one of these little workshop area. I think that's great. And I like this workbench here. 140. That one looks really good. I think it's going to last you a long time. And we even have the Bauer deals right here for the polisher. This was on sale. It's even deeper discount. Then we see another good deal here on this towel saw for $239 for Inside Track Club members. And then we see a couple other items right here for Hercules. Again, another Inside Track Club deal. Then we see another deal right here for some of these socket trays for US General. You can see some of these deals right here for $14.99. Pretty good price for these. And then we see a couple different options right here as well. So you can check these out in case you need a little bit of organization from some of your sockets. Then we also see a couple different sets here for some deals for different wrenches. So if you need to grab a couple of these wrench sets, definitely a great time to grab some. And then also some here just for Inside Track Club members here. They also have the large setup here for 600 bucks. So if you need to grab one of these, you can definitely do that. Save you a little bit of money and get this entire setup right here. Great deal for all of this. You can see all the different options down 100 bucks. Little work center hutch here. So check this out. Check out the colors and the options that you can do right here and categorize it however you would like to. They also have the solar panel on sale for $150, so you can get the solar panel kit and even the LED solar lights here as well. Then another option right here for a safe if you need to grab one of these for your house. Again, some of these are just the Inside Track Club deals going on right now, kind of mixed in with some of the deals going on as well for the parking lot sale. Then we even have a little lockup box here for Yukon. Pretty good deal on that one as well. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, or if there's anything that you see that you really like, let me know that as well. But if this video has been helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video.